Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can use Google Font offline without internet, right? So let's get started. How we can do that? So first thing, you need to create a project. I have already made the project with the name of Google Font, and I will create a files index.html, right? And I'm gonna create a folder CSS, right? Inside the CSS folder I'm gonna create a file main.css, and also I'm gonna create another file inside my CSS folder fonts.css, right? Two files. Inside the HTML document I'm gonna write the basic syntax of HTML5, Google Font, how to use Google Font offline in HTML, right? So now we need to include those CSS files. I'm gonna use a link, relation, style sheet, and folder name, and file name is main.css. Then another file name is fonts.css, right? Now let's write the heading tags. Google Font H2 again, Google Font offline, how to use, right? And then I'm gonna use H2 again, how to use Google Font offline, right? I have written three heading tags, and I'm going to show with you guys. Just a minute, I close no, I'm going to run this project, and then I'm going to run again. Then you will be able to see three headings text will be appeared on the browser. Right guys, so we will use font Google Fonts to apply the Google Fonts on my heading tags. So I'm gonna use Google Fonts, and then I'm gonna select the first one link and select any one font as you want to use on your project or on your website. For example, I want to use this one. You can choose your own basically size and many other things available on here, just regular sentence and many other things available. I'm going to click to select this font and click to family selected. Then I'm going to copy this one link with this one text, and I'm going to open this one link with new tab, and those are fonts. I'm going to copy the fonts, and I'm going to go to my project with fonts, right, and paste here, save that. Now I'm going to use this font on my heading, first one heading like a Google Font. So I'm going to use, I will also assign the ID guys, 1, right, 2, and then this is basically 3. So I'm going to select this one on here, 1, right, and I go to browser, and I just need to use font family like this one, right? Copy that and paste it, save that, and let's check it now on the browser. As you can see guys, right, now you want to use multiple fonts. First I'm going to show with you with usage with another fonts, and I'm going to use this one railway. Okay, this is railway. I'm going to copy the URL. No, this is a boolean. I remove this one, and this one is a railway. I'm gonna copy this one, paste here, copy the fonts, and go to your code editor, paste the font inside your fonts.css file. I'm gonna use this one with 2 font family, and I'm gonna copy the font family name. Family name is the Railway Sans Serif. Paste, save that, and let's check it now in the browser. Right? How to use Google Font. Now let's check out the third one. I'm gonna use a third one. Where is the third one? I think this is the best for us. I think this is a best. Okay, so you can use same method to get the fonts, and then copy that, go to your code editor and paste the fonts, and go to main.css file, 3 font family, and let's copy the font family name, Ubuntu, like this. So, and let's check it now in the browser. Right, guys? So you can use this method to use Google Font with offline, without internet. If your internet is disabled, then you will be able to use those font on your project, right? If you are using directly links like this one and your internet is disabled, then you can't use the fonts on the web, right? So this is very simple and short video all about how you can use Google Fonts in your HTML document. I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting updates. Have a nice day, guys.